Everyone says that Odoo Enterprise is a better version of Odoo that exists. More automation, more features. But there's something that nobody tells you. Odoo Community is actually enough and more for certain businesses. I'm not comparing it based on the advanced features and all, but for startups and all, Odoo Community is enough and more, and I think that's enough for you all. I'm not saying that enterprise is bad, but mostly people compare those editions with the features, but not on what really a business needs. So today's video is going to be about this. The very first point is about the cost. Lower cost, more the flexibility. So if you are someone who is planning to invest on community, like you don't have to invest on the licensing and all such things. Instead, you can use that amount for the implementation, customization and all such things. Because here in the community version, you are getting it absolutely for free and you don't have to pay for what you are getting, right? So that's the basic and main difference between the community and enterprise. So here you can actually focus on growth and pay for what is required for the growth of your business. Okay, so whatever you are spending will be an additional feature to what you have right now. So you have the community and you are paying more to get advanced or additional contents towards the community version that you have right now. Point number 2, simpler can actually be very better. See, not every company needs every features of Odoo, right? If you are having enterprise and your company is using enterprise, tell me that every feature in the enterprise is utilized by your company. Your answer will obviously be no, because not every company needs all of these features. Instead, if you are using community, basic features that are required for your company will obviously be present in the community version. So this makes your company operations less cluttered. Okay, so community can actually save a lot of things, make your operations very simple. For example, if your organization need a very good HR software, basic HR is required. Basic HR is present in the community. Like the sales and purchase and all is also present in the community, which is basic, which is present with the basic operations. So don't think that community means nothing. Community means something. Point number 3, you build only what you need. So instead of buying a whole package of features that you barely touch and don't even touch, try using community and adding features to areas where it's mostly required and keeping the others as such. So which one do you prefer? Okay, so only the features that you require should be added on while doing the customization, because all the other features that you get are absolutely free. So that's the other point that I have to include in this video. Point number 4, better for learning and long-term control. So if you are someone who is an Odoo enthusiast looking forward to learn what Odoo is and to explore what Odoo is, then for your community is the very best option, because you can learn a lot, like both the functional side and the development side. You can explore how Odoo looks like by using the community version. And if you are a developer who's learning to use Odoo or develop more in Odoo, then obviously you can go with the community version, because development can be done if you know how to use or how to work on Python. Okay, so as I said before, you can learn a lot using the community version. And if you want to know how enterprise edition works, you don't have to go and buy the enterprise edition, right? Demo is available in the website, so you can go and use the website. So for better practice and learning in development and both functional, you can actually use the community version. So we have come to the end of the video. To be fair, Odoo Enterprise has a lot of automations, better features, advanced features, and pretty much everything. Like it has a very advanced accounting, automations, workflows, and all such things. But is that it? Like, does having a lot of features gives you any gain? I don't know. The real question that you should ask, you shouldn't ask that how many features are present in the, ERP or the software that you're getting. Ask what all features you need is present in the software. So if you are thinking in that way, means I think community can help your business a lot, because community edition has pretty much features, that is the basic features, and you can add on all these features. Like you should have an idea about how this is working. Like without zero knowledge in Odoo, you can't, actually select it. So don't worry, for any type of confusions, you can easily come and contact us. We are here to help you. So for that, you can contact Cybrosys. Okay, we are here to help you with the customization, training, implementation, and pretty much more. So that's it, guys. Tell me what you think. Do comment that below. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.